Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a vlog and I'm gonna post each and everything that I'm gonna do today, because now it's a holiday time, and so today we are going for our holiday. So yes, it will be a bit excited, and please excuse my face, it's early in the morning, 8 o'clock, and I do have pimple over here, so I put a marks. So yeah, and right now I'm in the kitchen and I need to make some food for today's dinner so we can eat after reaching the holiday house, because we don't want to go and cook and make a food, and also it's a bit easy if we make our food here and then we can take it so that we can eat and no need to cook. So yes, let's get started for the day, and hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you, bye. And I'm boiling some potatoes for my chickpeas and potato curries. And first thing in the morning nowadays I try to drink water, or simply with a lemon water. It's really important if you drink water early in the morning in empty stomach. And I haven't drink any coffee, not having had any breakfast yet, but yeah, I will be having soon and I'll let you know guys. Till that I'm just enjoying a lemon water, and this is my cute jar. How is it? Hope you all enjoying my video till now guys, and keep watching. So guys, my chickpeas is ready. Now I'm making a potato over here. I'm gonna fry it same as chickpeas, so then after I can mix both and it looks really nice. सो यहाँ चिकन काटिँदैछ आजको मिट करीको लागि। यहाँ चाहिँ प्रेक्षा भन्ने मान्छेले पुर्याउँदै हुन्छ प्लाउन। यस्तो छ अहिले बिहानको हालचाल, सबैजना बिजी। And guys, so I'm ready now. Actually we are going out to buy some produce, some small stuffs, and also yes, and I'll keep on updating you guys whatever I do in today's vlog. And yet now my sister, my husband, my brother-in-law, they all are in the kitchen right now. They're making some foods and all, because mine part is already soon guys, it's already finished. And yes, now that's their part left to make. And yes, okay, so till that time just keep on watching guys.
So this is the lady right here. Look at her face. Oh my god. Butcher. Professional butcher. World cut number 1 butcher. Oh my god, it's so scary. And this one is my assistant butcher. Assistant butcher, and he's cutting, chopping. He's cutting wood. Oh my god, so funny. And what? This is the man who always makes late. And he's going to eat some breakfast, eggs and some toast.
And now we are going for shopping, and that's him. Why your eyes looks really tired?
I'm tired, mate. Tired.
Anyway, see ya. And that's my and guys, we are just here filling up the petrol in the car. And he's going there. Actually, we do have some clothes that we are not wearing much, and so that's why he's going to put that clothes over there in the yellow. As you can read, I guess, recycle your clothing here. So what we do is, whenever we feel like we are not gonna wear that clothes anymore, and then we he's trying to throw that stuff together, but I don't think so it will go inside. Yeah, so whenever we oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, he did finally. Yeah, so whenever we like the old clothes and all, or anything, any clothes we are not thinking like we were not gonna wear it, then we'll put that clothes over there in the yellow bin, so the other people who needs the clothes can wear it, and that's how we gonna save. That's it, we're done now. It's so windy outside. It's really cold here, and we are in the Preston right now, and we're going to Aldi to find some trousers for snow. And yes, let's go. And guys, we just went to buy some trousers, but actually, unfortunately, the clothes where we go to buy, they don't have much choice, and the size was really big, so we went to somewhere else, and the price was really expensive, like not less than 150 200, and just for snow trousers spend that much money is not really worth it. So we thought we will not buy from there, so we are going somewhere else. We're going to Costco, so let's see how we go, and if we could find something from there, so it would be really great. Otherwise we have to end up with not buying anything. So anyway, I'll just keep you on updating you guys, and I'm just having some digestive biscuits. So we are in a Costco right now. Boots.
इसकी जैकेट देखो, इसकी पैंट देखो।
Oh, the next ma.
यहाँ देखो इसकी पैंट थोड़ी सी डालो।
And guys, same thing happened. We went there, but we could not find the exact correct size of our pants, exact size for the pants, so we didn't buy anything. I just brought some leggings. I was trying to find some woolen leggings, but I could not find any, so I just brought some leggings which are like normal, not woolen, but it's like, I think it's thick enough to make you warm, so hopefully it will work. And now we are going to Aldi in Thomastown. Before we went to Preston's Aldi, now we are going to Thomastown Aldi. So let's see if we could find something here. And we're running late. We have to reach home we have to reach home at 2 o'clock, so that we can pack our things and we'll go. I don't know. Now we are walking and going towards Aldi. See? ये तो कहाँ हो बुढा?
यो ब्रदर
कस्तो अल्दी त देखेको छैन हामीले त जेबी हाइफाई होइन तेरोमा त अल्दी कहिले देखेको थिएन वेस्टर्न भइहाल्छ होला नि एज लङ एज इट्स What is this? Packable rain jacket. You are in Aldi right now. Happens everywhere. 60% off jewelry. Do you wanna buy? के रास्ता देखेर क्या चिपको कल बनाएर छ What do you think?
I don't know man, I don't know really.
So we are going over there.
यो त बच्चाहरु मात्र हो क्या
And guys, finally we didn't buy any trousers, but we got some leggings and some gloves to play snow and some leggings to keep you warm. So yes, that's it for our shopping list, and we are really running late, so we are going ASAP, and then we will pack our rest of stuff and then be ready to go. So yes, I'll see you next. I'll see you after. Bye. कतातिर
लाहौर लन्डन
यताबाट पनि फोटो खिचेको छ
यता नि खिचेको छ
अनि चाहिँ चाहिँ म हो
यो चाहिँ मेरो सामान
अनि चाहिँ हामी कति 3 डेज हैन 3 डेजको भ्याकेसन स्टार्ट भइरा चाहिँ हाम्रो एभ्री वान वाज सो एक्साइटेड लुक मोटे त्यहाँ देखाइदैन फेस एकदम सोल्ट त्यो देखाइदैन फेस लन्डन
I'm going London.
सोल्टियो पेदम लन्डन जान आले चाहिँ
I'm leaving all my family here.
Alright guys, so we are ready for our holiday trip, and that's our car. Alright guys, so our trip is ready now, and that's my husband and it's me. We are on the trip. Our trip is starting from this time. It's almost like 3:30 Monday, and we'll be back only on Thursday, so it will gonna be really fun, and I'm like really excited. So yes, but it's really windy out here. So he's our driver for today, and we're ready to go. यता अनुहार देखाम त
सही हो सही
यो
यस्तो मान्छेहरु
सलमान खानहरु कहाँबाट आए यता के हो यार यो
दंगल हो दंगल
बढेर
सोल्टी भोलि आऊ So we are here in our friend's house, and we are waiting for them so we can go together. So this is our one car where we my friends and my sisters, everyone going, and that's our car where we are right now, like we're going on that car. So yep, hopefully it will be really nice, but it's really cold weather today, so it's freezing. Actually, it's freezing right now, and as you can see, I don't have really much makeup on my face right now. I'm really tired, and just my hair is really messed, my lips is really dry and everything, so I don't know. some food.
कति लिने भने
म त छिटै हो नि ल
पछाडि
गफाडीको गफी
हामी मान्छे खै र म
पहाडको बाटोहरू हुन्छ नि कस्तो मिस भइरहेछ
यो उता के भन्छ ग्राम्पियन्सतिर गयो भने छ नि त्यस्तै
यो हो र So this is our holiday house, and this is the entrance. It's a main door, and here is a lounge area. There's a guitar, and then you can see from there. You can see the kitchen out there, and there's so many people like cooking and eating and everything. So if we go this way, we find one room over here, and if we move from here, we do have a bathroom. Look like this, and it's me, and it's my night tracksuit, which is really nice and warm. And yes, nothing much interesting. If we move forward, we find one room over here again, and the next room is over here, and the next one is here, which this room is the best and the nice room among all. And we do have one big mirror as well over here, and here's the basin, two basin, and there's a toilet over here and a shower. Why it's on? Okay, so there's a cupboard, big cupboards, and also we can put our clothes. Then these are the rooms. So if you go straight, then we find the kitchen and the living area, I guess. And it's a laundry room. There's a washing machine and a dryer. Maybe it's the way we can go outside, but it's already nighttime, so I don't want to open the door. Anyways, and these are cupboards, kitchen cupboards. And he's eating there. What you eating? What you eating? Biscuits? हाम्रो दाजु खाना दिन्छ ढिला आउनु भयो त्यही भएर धेरै भएन सो अलिकति मात्रै उहाँ चाहिँ रोशन लिम्बू पढ्नुभयो मीना and
नमस्ते सबैलाई
तिम्रो इन्ट्रोडक्सन आफै दिउ न त Hey guys, so we're just having some coffee, and since Craig's and my sister, we're having some coffee. And please excuse our face marks because we do have pimples and blemishes, and yes, that's alright. And she's a big sigh, and she's eating some cakes, some cookies, and we're having some coffee. How is it? Nice, yes. So we're just enjoying our holiday, and my husband is over there. He's watching TV. This is our kitchen. Nepali English and so So guys, this is the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and tomorrow we are going Falls Creek to see the snow and to play with it. So I think it will be really excited and fun. And now it's already 12:30, and so we have to sleep, and tomorrow we have to wake up really early and so we can reach there. And I think it takes almost 2 hours from here. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. And yes, it's time to go to sleep. So have a good day all, and see you soon on my next video. So bye, good night.